welcome to this session on TIBCO Platform, where today I will speak about bw5ToCE, which is an open source automation tool. This tool will cover the complete journey for a bw5 application running in the TIBCO administrator to a deployed workload on the TIBCO platform. Let me demonstrate this tool with the help of two examples. In the first example, we will see how a single application EAR present in a TIBCO administrator domain gets migrated to the TIBCO platform. So this is the administrator domain, which has just one application EAR as an example. This is the current state of TIBCO platform where there is nothing present. So how does this tool work? So at the back end, this tool, it exports the EAR from TIBCO administrator via app manage and runs a full portability analysis against it. So this tool will automatically scan the EAR for patterns that require attention in the containerized environment. And it will outline if the EAR has any warnings or blockers. It will also further suggest if there are any quality improvements or provide notes if any. So once the scan for this EAR is complete, it has suggested a few quality improvements is what we can see. After all of this, what it will do is it will extract the global variables into a Kubernetes-ready values.yaml and deploy the application to the TIBCO platform via its REST APIs. So after the quality improvement suggestion in the portability analysis scan, next step was about the global variables. So it has extracted the global variables into this Kubernetes-ready values.yaml, and then it has run this application EAR using REST API. So this is all about it. Let us quickly go to the TIBCO platform and validate the same. So I'll just refresh the screen. So this is the application EAR present, dynamic headers. It is scaling up. Under the log section, application run has started. And it has provided the required output. So this has completed the migration and run for single application EAR. Let us now move to the second part of this demo, which is the bulk or batch migration. So for organizations with large bw5 domains, bw5ToCE, as in this tool, it supports a batch export of all applications in a domain in a single operation. So this example of mine, I will be using 3 application EARs, 2 other regular application EARs. One is an EAR for a REST.json plugin project. So this tool has another added advantage that it will also help in auto provisioning the plugins that are currently supported or present on the TIBCO platform. Let us see if the output is complete. So this is still in progress. I'll quickly show the README file for this tool. So this README file, it contains all of these details that this tool has to provide. It will also provide step-by-step guide of whatever provisioning needs to be done, and it will also elicit a few examples for your kind perusal. So once this is complete, you should be able to see a status deployed message. So status is deployed. Let us quickly go to the TIBCO platform. So now you should be able to see 4 application EARs along with the first one. So these are the 3 that got added recently with the help of the second example run that we did. So with this, I come to the end of this demo. So all that we now like you to ask is to kindly get started. We encourage you that you clone this repo, configure your domain environment file, and run your first analysis. That said, now your bw5 portfolio is likely closer to TIBCO platform than you think. Thank you.